Hey everyone, welcome to Nom Nom to Fitness. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lexus, and this is my channel where I promote a healthy vegan lifestyle. I'm going to be making plant-based recipes and fitness videos, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I had a cold this week, so I decided to drink something warm. I'm making some hot cocoa. I added almond milk, cocoa powder, cinnamon, turmeric, maple syrup, and vanilla to a saucepan, and I just mixed it all up.
On the edge, we fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies.
So I didn't really have breakfast. I had an afternoon snack. I had some flax crackers and guacamole. Later on, I had some chocolate and ice cream. I blended up frozen bananas, almond milk, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract.
When you seem too far away, and you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time.
Now I'm just swirling in some peanut butter. I'm adding some cacao nibs, some roasted pumpkin seeds, and walnuts. For dinner, I had an Asian bowl. I'm chopping up some potatoes, adding garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and oil. And I'm just going to bake this until it's crispy. Now I'm slicing up some Brussels sprouts. I'm just adding salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna bake it for 15 minutes on each side. Now I'm sautéing some red peppers, green peppers, and onions. And I'm also going to add some minced garlic. I used about 4 cloves of minced garlic. And here are some green onion pancakes I decided to make with it. I got this from the Asian market. And now I'm just assembling everything. I cooked some brown rice to go with it.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you.
So that was everything that I ate today. It was very easy and simple to make. All the recipes will be in the description box, or I'll just put it in the video so you can see it. You can follow me at namnam2fitness on Instagram and on Twitter. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you next time.
We